What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 70 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys all the trades I did. I actually had to manage some cash secured puts that were actually expiring this week. I'll show you that, and we did make a little bit of money on top of doing that rolling. So we'll go over the Webull app, I'll show you all that, and then from there we'll jump into the Google Sheets where everything's a lot clearer and it's a lot easier to follow there. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. So first of all, the portfolio is at $27,772.33. Our open and profit and loss is actually down 13.22%, which is actually about $131.50. Our cash balance is actually at $28,898.83. So we're getting very close to 29K. Hopefully we can get there next month, and it'll be very, very awesome there. Our options power is actually $8,448.83. So this actually has increased a little slightly since last week, and we do have some buying power in case we do see some more red to come, which I think we will, so we can enter some positions there. But let's go ahead and get started here, guys. So my positions, the first one we do have here, guys, is actually one cash secured put on TQQQ with a strike price of $32.50. It's actually going to expire the 7th, well, I guess the 17th of June of 2022. We collected $4.25. And this one is actually a roll from my previous cash secured put, which I'll show you all in the Google Sheets because it makes a lot more sense there. But this one it's now a monthly cash secured put that I rolled. We did make a slight profit on it, but it was in the money, so we had to we rolled it out in time, and we also lowered the strike price so we don't get assigned these shares. So we will see how that one plays. We're gonna have to continue to manage this one, but so far everything's going so good so far. I believe this one is still in the money, so we will see what happens with this one. We have a month to see how the market reacts. The next one we have here, guys, is two cash secured puts on TQQQ with a strike price of $25. This one's actually going to expire on the 3rd of June of 2022. We collected 44 cents or $44, and it's actually worth $99 per contract, so we're down on it. But TQQQ I think is trading around $30 or $31, so we're definitely not in the money, and it's a monthly cash secured put, so we still have about 2 to 3 more weeks left on this one. We will see how it plays out. Obviously if TQQQ falls, then we'll have to manage that trade and continue to roll it, but we will see what happens with that one. I think we'll make some pretty good money in the long term. The next one here, guys, that we do have is actually two cash secured puts on SOXL with a strike price of $20. It's actually going to expire the 3rd of June of 2022, and then we collected $1.66 per contract. So this one is one of the contracts, or I guess one of the cash secured puts that I did have to roll. This one was actually going to expire this week that passed, and I had to manage this trade, and I believe the strike price was $23.50. We actually managed to lower it down all the way to $20. So we were in the money, but now with this rolling, we are definitely above, I guess below the strike price, so we're far away from the current strike price of SOXL, and we're not in the money on this one. We will see. Obviously the market's very volatile lately, so SOXL could fall back to the $19 range, which it was trading this past week. But we will see. We'll manage this trade as it goes. Our goal here is to try to collect a minimum of 1% per month in premium, and try not to get assigned any shares. And then the next one here, guys, that we do have, we actually have 3 cash secured puts on SOXL with a strike price of $14. It's actually going to expire the 3rd of June of 2022. So you guys can see that we do have a lot of June 3rd cash secured puts that are going to expire. But we collected 34 cents or $34 per contract. and so this one hopefully will expire worthless. This is very far out of the money cash secured put. We will see how this one plays out. We'll continue to manage it if it goes down below that strike price, which honestly that's very low. But the last one that we have here, guys, is actually one cash secured put on WBA with a strike price of $40. It's actually going to expire the 3rd of June again. So remember, all of these contracts are basically expiring the first month of June. And then we collected 49 cents or $49. And so I think this one will hopefully be profitable as well. We are actually up on it. We could close it and make about $2 profit. I try to make about 40 to 50% or 60% depending on the time of the premium that we collect. But yeah, these are the current trades or the current positions in the Webull portfolio, guys. If you guys are enjoying the content, be sure that you subscribe with that notification and you drop a big thumbs up on the video to help out the channel. Let me show you guys the history just so you guys can see all the trades here. So if I scroll down, I believe that it started here with the sell or the buy, but I'll pause it here, or you guys can pause it here so you guys can see the actual trades. But yeah, that is actually the trades for the week. They were quite a bit, mostly towards Friday. So yeah, but let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheet so I can show you guys all the trades and how much we made for this week. Alright guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets. So it's time to find out how much we made for the week. So starting date was the 9th, and then for the end was the 13th. So we made a total of $140.30. That was a pretty good week. And then for credits, we actually collected $1,528 in credits, but we spent about $1,387 in debits, meaning that because we did it a lot of rolling here for those contracts that were going to expire this past week, there was actually nothing in gains and nothing invested. So it was a pretty good week, especially with the rolling. If we look at the graphs, guys, you'll see that for May 2022 we are at $321.48, which is actually pretty good. This is if our contracts were to expire worthless or if we were to get assigned. Obviously I will manage those trades. I don't want to get assigned, that is the goal. But if we look at the monthly performance, remember that our goal is to try to get a minimum of 1% every single month, so that we can try to see if we can keep that up every single month. But right here, guys, this is May 2022. We've already achieved it at 1.14% so far. So we definitely achieved that goal for May. A lot of these contracts are going to expire around the 3rd of June, so we could just leave it like that. But I will be watching the market these coming weeks. Hopefully some of these positions end up being able to exit out early and we can enter some more positions. But we will see what happens. It's always very fun. But yeah, we've achieved the goal for May. So it'll be awesome, and then we'll hit June and we'll try to hit 1%. Anything over is always you know, extra on the top, so it's pretty awesome there. If we look at the weekly performance, guys, you'll see that for the week of the 13th of May we collected the $140.30, which brings the portfolio value to $28,898.42. If we look over here, you'll see total we've collected so far has been $737.45, which brings our total return about 2.62%. After taxes, if you were to assume for it, we do have taxes since it's a taxable account. And then if we look at the credits, guys, you'll see here are the positions. And honestly, I forgot to actually highlight this one. Let me highlight it real quick for you guys, and we can see this. So everything in the darker color are positions that are closed out or they're rolled. But you'll see here the TQQQ, we actually ended up rolling it because it was going to expire the 13th of May, and it was at a strike price of $35. So TQQQ was like trading around $30 or so, and then we ended up rolling it over here to about a strike price of $34, and we collected about $445. and we actually closed it that same day. We bought it back, and then we actually rolled it back out further to the 6th, I guess June 17th, with a strike price of $32.50, and about $425 is what we collected. But if I show you here the debits real quick, you'll see that for TQQQ, we paid $405 for the first one to buy it back, and then the second time we paid $400. So if we look back, you'll see that we paid $400, so we made about $45 in profit here, and then we it was pretty good. So that was pretty amazing there, and so I think it would be pretty cool. But the next one we do have here, guys, is the SOXL ones that we do have, which is this one that I ended up rolling. About $383 is what it was worth. We rolled it, and we paid about $292 to buy it back. So we made a little bit of profit, and then from there we ended up coming back. We sold it at a strike price of $22, so we went down $1.50, and we collected $325, and we rolled that. We held it for that one day only. We rolled it $325. We bought it back, and we bought it back at $290, so we collected about $35 in profit here, and so that was pretty awesome. And then from there we sold it again, and we actually were able to roll it to $20 a strike price, which was pretty amazing. And so we have this one open for about a month now. We will see how this one plays out. And then if we look at the SOXL ones, the $14 strike price, these are the ones we have open. And then the other TQQQ with a strike price of $25, and then the WBA cash secured put that we have, guys. So it'll be pretty awesome seeing these positions go out, and we will see how that plays out. If we look at gains, guys, you'll see we have nothing in gains. There's actually nothing in current buys, and that's actually it. That's all we have for this update, guys. Let me know in the comment section how your performance is going so far. It'll be pretty awesome seeing. But if you stuck all the way to their end, be sure that you're subscribed with that notification if you have not done so, and drop a big thumbs up on the video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.